Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to highlight your text in Wondershare Filmora version 12. So, first of all guys, what I need you to do is go ahead and open your Filmora program. Make sure that you are logged into your account, as you can see, and then let's go ahead and open a project. So, let me first drag like an image with a text in it, and just like so, here is the image. Now, in order to highlight the text, I will need to go first to titles, download this default title, and then let's add it over our image. Now, after we're done with this step, you don't look at this page, but you click in here, you go to advanced, edit, and after you've done with that, you have to click on this title in here and click on delete from your keyboard. Now, after you deleted it, you go here on this icon here, which is drawing a shape, and you just drag whatever shape you want. So let's, for example, choose this one. And for example, no, not this one. Let's go back and let me choose this one. So here, basically what I'm going to do is, so back to you guys. Now, after you finish this step, you go here, you delete the text. So click in here, delete the text, go down, and let's go to fill color or shape fill, and here you can see the color. So let's change it, for example, to blue. And what, as you can see here, the text is not visible under this box. So what I'm going to do is reduce the opacity. Basically, I will make it something like that, and basically you can just reshape it on the text or the line that you want to highlight it. So let's make it like this and click on apply. So if I click now and apply, as you can see, it is done on the video itself. So it is highlighted now. You can actually move it from this screen in here without going to advanced edit and keep editing it as you would like to do. So yeah guys, that's how you can highlight the text in Filmora. So thank you a lot for watching and see you in the next tutorial.